Imagine two neighbors living in the same apartment building in Chicago. They share the same view, but their lives are about to take very different paths.
They're both 35 years old. Both earn about $95,000 a year.
Both drive similar cars. Both invest through their 401k.
Every morning, they leave for work within 5 minutes of each other. From the outside, their financial lives look almost identical.
Then one morning, the stock market opens and panic spreads everywhere. News channels flash red banners. Social media screams, "Sell before it's too late!" Within weeks, billions of dollars disappear from the market.
One neighbor immediately stops investing.
The other neighbor quietly continues investing without fear.
One is still recovering from a single emotional decision.
The other is much closer to financial freedom.
The crash didn't decide the outcome.
Their preparation did. Their preparation did.
Most people think wealth is built during bull markets.
But real wealth is protected during bear markets.
Every crash creates two kinds of investors.
Those who panic, and those who panic, and those who prepare.
Today, you'll learn the habits that separate them. The first habit is building an emergency fund before you need it. Cash isn't exciting, but it gives you choices. Without savings, every crisis becomes an emergency. With savings, panic turns into patience. The second habit is eliminating expensive debt.
The third habit is diversification.
Never let one investment decide your future.
Strong portfolios survive unexpected storms. The fourth habit is staying invested, even when the market looks scary.
Market crashes are temporary. Discipline lasts forever.
Every market decline eventually becomes history. The strongest investors don't chase perfect timing. Small actions repeated over years create extraordinary results.
The fifth habit is using tax advantages wisely.
Smart investors understand that keeping more money matters too. Preparation beats prediction every single time.
You don't need to predict the next crash. You need to be ready for it. Fear spreads faster than facts during a market crash.
Emotions can become your biggest financial enemy.
Successful investors trust their plan, not their emotions. Every recovery rewarded patience. The people who stayed invested gave themselves the best chance to win. Wealth is built by consistent decisions, not lucky guesses. Financial freedom begins with preparation.
Your future depends on the choices you make today.
The next market crash won't define your future. Your preparation will.
Every financial journey begins with one smart decision. You don't need perfect timing. You need consistent action. You need consistent action.
Small investments can grow into something extraordinary.
Patience is one of the greatest financial advantages. Your future self is counting on the choices you make today.
Market crashes come and go. Strong habits remain. The next chapter of your financial life starts now.
Keep learning. Keep investing. Keep building.
If you want to build lasting wealth instead of reacting to fear, subscribe and keep learning, because the best investment you'll ever make is in your financial knowledge.